Hello friends, this is my first video on this channel, so do subscribe my channel, and if you like my video then please press thumbs up and do share with your friends and family. Thank you. So in this series I'll give you review of the smart blocks, that is the Young architectural set, and the brand name is Peacock. You can go and check out the items on peacock.com, and this is the price tag. I think so you can see this is the retail price, 670 rupees, and I bought it from the retail shop. Okay, so in this block set it contains 315 interlocking pieces, and the age group of for this game is 5 years and above, and the set number is 133, and the brand name is Peacock. You can also visit www.peacock.com and you can choose from there. So now we'll see what's in it. So I have already opened it, so don't worry. So it has this booklet which is a step-by-step guide for making this type of house. Okay, so it has like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 steps for making this house, and the another method is another step-by-step guide is for making this house. Okay, this is the front view and this is the back view. Okay, and now I'll give you the how many pieces and how it will be counting. So the quantity list is here. So it has 33 different types of items. The color may varies, but the item is there, so it must be 33 pieces. Quantity means 315 blocks by counting door, flower, the antenna, the figure, all this it has. You can see now the art number 1 means this, it has to be 3 pieces. So like this you can see the quantity items. The color may varies. For example, I have this white door, and I have this yellow bulb which it has a yellow color, but I have transparent color. So you know, color may varies, but the quantity is 315 blocks. So you can make anything from these blocks, but this is the step-by-step guide for this house. Okay, and thank you. If you like my video, please do share with your family and friends, and please give a thumbs up. I want your love. Thank you.